You sleep 7 hours. You follow the rules. You go to bed early. You avoid caffeine. You do everything right. But still, you wake up tired, heavy, slow, like your brain forgot to wake up with you. Why? And how do some people sleep less, but wake up with more energy? Today, I'll show you how. Welcome back to Strive. I'm Strive, bringing you content that helps you build a stronger version of yourself. Every day is a new chance to get one step closer to your goals. Let's begin. Step 1. Cool down your room. Your brain sleeps better when it's cooler. Lower temperature equals deeper sleep. Try 18 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. A fan. An open window. Small changes. Step 2. Support, not softness. Soft beds feel nice, but your spine disagrees. You need support. Better posture equals better mornings. Step 3. Hot shower, cold room. Take a warm shower before sleep. Your body cools down faster after. Tells your brain, it's time. Step 4. Stop feeling guilty about being tired. Tired does not mean weak. It means your body is talking. So listen. Step 5. Master the mini nap. A 20-minute nap can recharge your brain. More memory. More focus. Short nap. Big upgrade. Step 6. Tech off equals sleep on. Screens confuse your brain. 1 hour before sleep. No scrolling. Just calm mode. Step 7. Fix your pillow. Your pillow controls your neck. Choose support, not softness. Your future self will thank you. These small habits make you sharper, even with less sleep. You don't need more hours, you need better habits. This is Strive, helping you grow step by step. Which habit will you start tonight? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comments what topic you want next, and don't forget to share this video with someone who might need it. Keep striving.